Hello guys, I'll show you 3 easy ways to fix the missing Bluetooth on-off button in Windows 11 step by step. Before we start, don't forget to leave a like and comment a heart. Let's begin from the start. First, ensure your computer actually supports Bluetooth. Most laptops have it built in, but some desktops require a USB Bluetooth adapter dongle. For this, in the bottom search bar, type Device Manager and open it. In Device Manager, look for Bluetooth in the list and click the small arrow to expand it. Find your Bluetooth adapter. If you see a gray icon on it, that means it's disabled. Right-click on it and select Enable. Enabling the Bluetooth adapter can sometimes restore the missing on-off button. After enabling, go back to Notification Settings. The Bluetooth switch should now appear. If the button is still missing, try the next method. Check Bluetooth Settings and Quick Actions. For this, press the Windows button at the bottom and open Settings. Go to Devices or Bluetooth and Devices. First, ensure the Bluetooth toggle is turned on. After that, on the right side, click More Bluetooth Options. In the Bluetooth Settings window, check the box for Show the Bluetooth icon in the notification area. Click Apply. Then OK. The Bluetooth on-off button should now appear. If you still don't see the on-off button, click the arrow caret in the taskbar. Bluetooth might be hidden there. But we still want Bluetooth on-off button. For this, add Bluetooth to Quick Actions. Right-click any Quick Actions button. A menu will open. Select Edit Quick Actions. In Edit Quick Actions, click Add at the bottom. Then choose Bluetooth from the list. Then click Done. The Bluetooth toggle will now appear in Quick Actions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video.